All right. It is now Tuesday. I will be heading into work today. It's our down hair day. You know I like to do curls, big, fluffy. I'm going to use the little curling iron. I don't think this one is super squeaky. It could be. She lost her little handle right there. That's what I'm dealing with. But, so for her, tighter curls. The tighter curls, I do the one forward, one back. I usually don't do little tight curls, all going back. That one ends up being a spiral perm mess. I do have a skinnier curling iron that I love to make little mini afros in my hair with. Because I like big, crazy hair. It's fun. It makes people say, wow, look at your hair. I was at one of my grocery stores last night and the girl was like, I thought you were sick. I'm like, I am sick. She's like, and you're still doing your hair and getting up? Yes, even sick like Darth Vader. I'm getting up and doing my hair. Damn it. I hate it. I don't want to do it, but somebody's got to do it, okay? Even if you feel like shit, if you get up and do your hair, it makes it a little bit more bearable, you know? So yes, this curling iron, smaller, same sections. I got me a big jumbo fat boy curling iron that I haven't used yet, so I think on our next down day I'm gonna whoop it out and see what kind of crazy weird curl I can get with a jumbo Dumbo iron. There's so much stuff out there today. You go to Marshall's and Walmart and Target and you're like, oh my gosh, there's a steam iron, a hot iron, a flat iron, a curl iron. And I know what you're thinking. There's no way I'm going to use all that and do all that. Forget about that. Look at my ponytail. Put my little soccer bun in my hair. And go. Bye. You think you look cute. But does anybody else tell you you look cute? No. No, they don't. Watch that one day you put that curling iron through your hair, the world is going to explode and open up and you're going to be like, I never knew. There's a whole world out there, people waiting to tell me how beautiful I am if I just take the time to style my hair. You can do it. I do it every day on this YouTube channel for you. Let you know you're not alone. We could do it together. With our curling irons, we could be the queen of the world. All of my clients will say, I wish I could bring you home. I wish you could do my hair every day. And I'm thinking, I wish you would do your hair every day. Give me some more new clients. Shoot. If you ain't doing your hair, and if you ain't looking cute, you ain't representing me right, okay? I need you to go to work, and I need people to be like, wowza, you're looking good. What the heck? And then I need my people to be like, yeah, my hairstylist, she's a bitch. She told me I'm a fucking slacker. And now I gotta get my ass up and curl my hair and bring some clients, okay? Because if I ain't making money, ain't nobody getting their hair done, okay? I won't have a place to work. Because I move around all over the place all the time, searching for that perfect salon to work at. And now I've decided I'm too fucking old. I can't deal with people. Isn't that the way the world is now? People hate people, don't they? Tons of people hate me. I can't deal with that. If I'm not in a salon where everybody's telling jokes and acting up and having a good time, and all those salons, they close down. Now everybody's everywhere and just trying to find my way. Got my own little suite, which is scary. Because now people that come in only have me to contend with. You're stuck with me. You gotta listen to my crazy stories. And there's nobody else to reflect off of and help you out when you think I'm crazy. You just gotta sit in that room, get your hair done, and look beautiful when you leave. See how many little pieces we have left back here. Oh, there's a whole bunch left. With the smaller curling iron, it really does take a little bit more time, but you know what? All we have is time, right? Everyone says there's not enough time in the day. Oh, but you got 5 hours to be on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram. Put your camera phone down. Stop watching your videos. Well, you can watch this video while you're curling your hair. We can curl our hair together. Oh, twinsies, triplitsies. Hopefully one day I'll have millionsies, okay? Trying to get me some free freeze and shine because it's expensive. Hair products are expensive now, ladies, right? And I even get a little discount and I'm still broke. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I've been looking at the Suave in the dollar store thinking, oh, it'd be so much easier just to have my hair smell like raspberry flowers and be dry and shitty for $1. No, let me go to the Hair Beauty Supply and buy my $30 shampoo that doesn't last in my house with 6 people. It's alright. I don't want to be rich. I just want to have nice hair. Alright, I think we are good. Let me do some more up here. You know the deal. Big hair, don't care. When my clients come in and I style their hair, I usually curl their hair, and some of them, they don't like their hair curled, but I'm thinking, I know that you're not going to get up in the morning, curl your hair, do your own hair, take the time. Let me just do it now, and maybe it'll last you a couple of days. Make you feel good a little bit longer. A little bit. That's all I'm trying to do. Make America beautiful again. One hair curl at a time. Fuck what Trump's trying to do. make it great again. We try to make it beautiful again. Trying to put women back in corsets and have their hairstyle. Shoot. Bringing it back. Mid-century. Alright. So now, you could go like this. You could have your curly hair and be like, I'm good, I'm going. But you know what? That's not my style. You know what I like to do, right? We're gonna do it right now. And while it out, alright? Don't be afraid to get in there and make a rat's nest out of your hair. It's perfectly fine. People will still think you're cute. They think, is that natural curl? Because it's so nappy. Sorry, all you girls with the natural curl. You know, sometimes your hair is nappy. Those curls like to nap up. Get it all big and delicious. I think the blonde really does make a difference when you're curling and braiding and styling it so it doesn't look plain Jane. And there we go. Curlier, shirlier, little wild funk. When the wind blows, we're not gonna care. We like it. Big, wild, fun. Yes, ladies. So we got our super curl on today. And that will just set us up for another updo for tomorrow, right? Keep it going. It's going to be Wednesday. Thursday, I'm going to have another day off. So I'm pumped. I don't know about you, but if you like this video, press like, subscribe, tell your friends. Let's get it rolling. I need some free freeze and shine.